Hey folks, this is William Brown. Hope you're enjoying your day. It's Friday afternoon, it's after 4 o'clock. A few days ago I had my girlfriend send me, well, excuse me, not send me, but order from eBay this, get this, Fluidmaster Model 200A fill valve. Apparently they're marketing it in Mexico and Puerto Rico and maybe some other countries, but not here anymore. I thought it was long out of production in 97, and since 1997 has not been made. And if you can find new old stock that haven't been used or ones out of junk toilets, that you were lucky. But apparently this is a complete surprise to me. Now, I don't know if they're still being made or not, but apparently they appear to be made the same way with the clip versus the plastic adjustment rod and screw type knob on top of the 400A. Instead of transferring that over to the 200A, they still stuck with the slide clip adjustment. Now, this is the first I'm taking it out of the box, so at this point, and ever get the damn knife open, we will see. Alright, so we're cutting the tape. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Alright, so here goes. Alright, and I do this with my knees here. Hold a minute. Anyway. Okay, we have our fill valve, which looks very similar to what was last produced in 1997. We have our long refill tube right here, and a little bag with the parts. The lock nut, the gasket, and the newer angle adapter. So these parts are the only things changed apparently about this valve. Other than that, as you can see, it's still pretty much the same, which is pretty cool. Plans for this valve, I am possibly going to use this in my 1959 standard Compton once it's installed. I already know that the 400A from the 1980s that I have in there is still functional, but this is pretty cool. I just never knew this. There was the last one left, and she was able to order it for me through her eBay account. I only have an Amazon account, so I'm not able to order something like this. And I already checked on Amazon, and there are no 200A valves whatsoever. So, without any further ado, I will be installing this and giving you an update. Take care, folks, and have a great weekend. We'll be back soon. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.